There is a snake.
What kind
is
of
that?
snakes
I
are
do
there?
not know. A python or anaconda.
I have no idea. I can't see. It's very difficult to see.
Small one. A small
Oh,
turtle.
it's a turtle there, yeah. Turtle or terrapin. Oh, no, it says Asian. It doesn't tell you what it is.
Here, oh, it's very big python.
That's definitely a python.
Oh my God, that's very big. Cannot see it outside here.
That's definitely a python.
Yes, a big one. And there's another one there.
Go into photo mode then.
Ah, his head, oh, is the head is looking at you.
I can't get this camera to go back into photo mode.
There's a Burmese python here, oh.
Oh, isn't that beautiful, man?
Yeah, that's
That's
nice.
the ones that cause all the problem in America.
Huh?
Well, they got
They
no.
kill it.
No, they got no. Their people have taken them as pets,
Ah, yeah, they make
right?
it.
Because they are rather beautiful.
They look
And then
beautiful.
they get escaped, and they've got no sort of predator in America, and they cause them all sorts of problems in the world.
Oh,
Yeah.
piggy, the wild pig, piggy, piggy, piggy. It's another one there. Ah, there's so many of them. They don't have a baby. There's another tree there. They keep digging the ground.